Paris, for years now, defense attorneys and prosecutors have gone back and forth about the reliability of breathalyzer tests in criminal cases. However, now they've reached an agreement, and the results of those tests will now be used as evidence once again. Western Mass News reporter Paris Dunford joining us live to break down what this means for drivers. Paris?
Mary, I spoke with a defense attorney who took up this issue years ago and has been fighting for it ever since. He says all the attorneys involved now believe that breathalyzer tests are fair, reliable, and can stand up in court. Litigation has been ongoing for years about the reliability of breathalyzer tests in the Bay State.
You need to understand if there's a problem with these machines, and there's a problem with the results. These results put people in jail, take license away.
Joe Bernard is a criminal defense attorney in Springfield, specializing in operating under the influence cases. He brought the issues of the Commonwealth's Office of Alcohol Testing to prosecutors across the state, including Hampden District Attorney Anthony Galouni. Now, since 2019, he voluntarily suspended the use of breathalyzer test results as evidence in criminal prosecution cases because he didn't believe the results could hold up in court.
His office was at the forefront of shutting down and not utilizing them because he didn't trust the Office of Alcohol Testing.
However, now Bernard and DAs across the state have come to an agreement, and a judge has signed off on the agreement and made it into an order. Now the Office of Alcohol Testing will have someone watching over it to make sure all reforms or practices are met.
The individual will be in charge of communicating with the court systems, the lawyers, and giving documents and giving information as well as training.
Galouni will resume using these test results as evidence in criminal OUI cases. He's joined by Northwestern District Attorney David Sullivan as well. This doesn't change much for the Springfield Police Department, though, since it was their policy to continue to conduct breath tests when dealing with OUI cases.
Per Mass General Law, our officers were providing those breathalyzers and those breath tests. What happened down in court, whether or not the evidence was submitted or allowed to be admissible, it doesn't change how the officers operate.
But it may change things for people who are charged with these types of crimes.
The breath test definitely makes the prosecutor's job easier, defense lawyer job harder. All we're asking for is to play fair.
Now, Galouni says these changes will go into effect starting tomorrow, July 1st, ahead of the busy 4th of July weekend. Reporting live in Springfield, Paris Dunford for Western Mass News.